Inside of the Gerald Ford Airport located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, you can find a tribute room dedicated to the former president. It's located right before security, so it is open to the public. In addition to Gerald Ford having been a president, he was also part of the U.S. House of Representatives, representing Grand Rapids from 1949 until 1973. This tribute center opened in October 2017. Grand Rapids is home to the Gerald Ford Presidential Museum and is also the city where the late president is buried. The airport was renamed for Gerald Ford in the late 1990s. However, by some very interesting trivia, it almost didn't get the name. There was a bit of a competition with the Palm Beach Airport, who also wanted to be named after the former president. In fact, this airport is only one of 8 that is named for a former president. If you're flying into or out of Grand Rapids, I definitely recommend to make this detour. Plus, if you make your way outside, there's a really cool statue of the former president as well that you can grab a photo with.